Hello good people, my name is Tambe Josh. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're a returning viewer, thank you for clicking in and please consider subscribing. If you're a new viewer, feel most welcome. In today's video we are going to be learning Arabic. We're going to be learning Arabic basic words. So the first word I would like us to learn is greetings, like how are you in Arabic is kifik for the female. For the male, it's kifak. If you're a male, they will ask you kifak. If you're a female, they will ask you kifik. Okay? Or if you want to ask somebody who is a male, how are you? Kifak. If it's a female, kifik. Okay? And general answer is Miha, I am fine. Miha, Alhamdulillah is thanks to God. Miha, Alhamdulillah, thanks to God. Okay, I am fine, thanks to God. The next one is Shukran, to say thank you in Arabic. Shukran. Okay, if somebody gives you something, you'd say Shukran. Or if you do something to somebody, to thank you, they will say Shukran. Okay, then they could answer Tikrameh. Tikrameh is welcome. Now welcome, that word Tikrameh is if you're telling somebody thank you, welcome after a service or something. But if somebody knocks on the door and you want them to welcome them in, you don't say Tikram. Okay, it's not like kwetu we say karibu. No. For welcoming somebody in your house is Fadal for the male, Fadale for the female. If it's a she, you will say Fadale. If it's a he, you will say Fadal. Okay, that is welcome to my house. Okay, then to say you in Arabic for the female, they are gender sensitive. Okay, male, female. Okay, he, she. Okay, you is ente for female and enter for male. Enter. Okay, then there is come is tie. Okay, tie, come. Here, horn. So if you want to tell somebody, only you hear this word Tyler horn, that is come here. Tyler horn, come here. Okay, tie, come, and horn, here. Tyler horn. Okay, then it's jibe, bring. Jibe, that is bring. If they say jibile, bring for me. Jibile, bring for me. Jibile haida is this in Arabic we say haida. Jibile haida, or if you want to show haida something, this, if you want to say this in Arabic is haida. Jibe is bring. Okay, then there is, if you want to say when is when. Emta, that is when. Okay, if you want, there is jit is come again, like come. If somebody asks emta jit, when did you come? Emta jit, when did you come? Okay, if you want to say somebody is coming, Isha, it's somebody is coming, or Isha is coming, Isha. Okay, but if they are calling you come, is tie. If they are telling you come, tie. Okay, But if you want to say so and so is coming, Ija. Okay, Ija. Ija, Mr. Ija, Madam, whatever. Madam is coming, Mr. is coming, Ija, Mr. Okay, if you want to say you are coming or I'm coming, if they call you Masanan, Masanan is for example. For example, I want to say Tabi Tai, come. You will say Jeye, I am coming. Okay, Jeye. Okay, if they call you, you will say Nam, whatever your name. Tabi, Nam. You don't say For us, we say you don't say that. You say Nam. Okay. Emta is when. Emta, when. Where, now where. When is where. When, where. Okay. Where is it? When. Where is it? When. Okay, that is to ask where is it. Okay guys, that is it for today. Hope you've learned some words or you can relate with some words that you've heard. Yeah, I will do another video of this and I will show you most commonly used words still. Okay, thank you for watching guys. I hope you enjoyed learning Arabic. I will still do another video to teach you some more Arabic. Okay guys, thank you. Watch out for another Arabic lesson. Thank you for watching. Kindly don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Thank you. Bye.